guys so much for coming. To my old and new subscribers, I say God bless you guys so much, and thank you all for all that you've been doing for me. I don't know what to say. All I can say is that God bless you. So guys, today I'm here with another recipe. Guys, in this recipe I'm going to share with you how I make my veggie sauce. You can call it veggie sauce, hot veggie sauce, pepper veggie sauce, or whatever name that you give it. But guys, this is not just any hot sauce. This is not just any pepper sauce, but rather very nice, nutritious, and healthy pepper sauce. Guys, you can imagine the kind of veggies that are in this sauce. This goes well with so many things. It goes well with a lot of food. It goes well with a lot, it complements a lot of dishes. So guys, this is a must try. Don't bail yourself on this. So beautiful people, if you want to see how I make this amazing recipe, please sit down, relax, and let's do this. Thank you guys so much for coming. God bless you. So these are the ingredients that we will be needing for this simple recipe. So guys, I have here celery, I have parsley, green pepper, broccoli. Guys, yeah, you heard me, broccoli, spring onions, I have garlic, habanero pepper. But guys, if you have the green one, it's best that you use it because we are using our green here. But in my case, I did not have it, so that is why I'm using this. And the amount depends on how hot you want your sauce. Ginger, onions, salt to taste, and then one tablespoon of fish powder. So if you don't have fish powder, you can use chicken powder. Guys, I have recipe for chicken powder on my channel. You can use shrimp powder, my oil, one Maggi stock cube. So I'm going to toss everything on this tray into the blender, and then we blend it. Guys, we are going for a smooth blend. In this recipe, you want to blend everything very smoothly. So we are going to a fine blend, guys. So now I have my saucepan on fire. It's heated. So at this time, I'm going to add in the oil to this. Oil is heated. We're going to add in our sauce. Guys, look at the green color. We're going to add it in. Guys, we are doing all this on a medium heat. So we're going to fry this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then our sauce is all done. Look at it. Look at the rich green color, guys. Guys, remember to stir it. Remember to stir it frequently to prevent it from burning. Just look at the green color. Guys, this is not just a pepper sauce, but a healthy one. So we're going to let this be on fire. When it's about 10 minutes, then we will add in our fish powder, the stock cube, and then we taste for salt. If salt is needed, then we add in a little bit of salt. So guys, this is how it's looking like after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it's looking like. So now I have in my fish powder. Guys, this is optional. And then I'm adding in my stock cube. Guys, remember we are doing this on a medium heat. Then I give it a stir. Then after this, I'm going to taste the sauce. This is it. You see, this is how I make my pepper sauce. It's veggie pepper sauce, guys. This is very nutritious. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my uploads. And to my old and new subscribers, I say thank you so much. God bless you. Guys, you can eat this with rice, yam, plantain, banku, fried yam, potatoes, anything, curry, guys. It goes well with anything, wache, jollof rice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Until we meet again, guys, don't forget to enjoy this amazing sauce and thank me later. God bless you. Bye bye.